brothers and sisters, our time shall come. Hester Sadler. Why are you on the side of a cliff? Thank you. Whoa. Again, why are you on the side of a cliff? This is a lot to get through. I should take it piece by...
Ah, nice. I'll mark it up as we go.
Sorry, Dina. I'm allergic to directions. Columbia Street. Fish, get a sec, and just fill out that entire thing. Thank you. I needed that blessing, considering how much evil is around. I guess it makes sense that there's literally nothing below me. Oh, it extends. The mailbox and get the key to the radio station. Stay away, ghosts! I have sneezes. It's just allergies. You know? It does sound like that. Right on beat! It feels like that. Doodle 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 doodle. Thank you. Man, what a section, right? Please adjust the slider until the scene can be seen correctly. Hedwig! Thank you.
Dark in here.
The 4 soldiers at the gate. The last one cried. Want it? I'm gonna sneeze?
This guy is getting run through by that thing.
Getting the sneezes scared out of me. Out your window, maybe. What do we want? And the mountain screen is so cute. Look at the little dude going. I forget what they're called. All right. Now that we've that out of the way, thank you for blessing me. As you guys were entering, you should have noticed all the beams in the sky. Stupid hairy carcass.
What a delicacy you
Sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit.
Here are the harvest.
And drown the innocent. This is so cool. It really makes you realize. Sorry, I'm allergic to pointlessness. It's no, stop! Mark, I think I gotta sneeze again. It's bubbling up, Mark. Mark, what do I do? I think it's calmed down. It's not going anywhere. Oh, mother of God, Mark, I've been compromised. I can't sniff out the danger anymore. I'm allergic to dust as well in real life. Maybe I kicked up a whole heaping, helping, serving of it in this room. Oh, God. Now I sound ill. Okay, I'll keep going down this hall then. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Sorry. Thank you for blessing me, though. Appreciate it. Sometimes you gotta sneeze. Sometimes you gotta do what a man's gotta do. It's a hard world out there. Lots of particles getting up inside your nostril holes. Good work to her, Jack.
I think it's doing fine.
Let's just keep moving.
Yeah.
All over it. I'm gonna sneeze. Uh-oh. What's out there? Is this a double barrel? Oh, you can't do that to me! Oh, I'm on a clock here! I'm gonna die!
Get back into a size 12. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit. Because I can't go up there. Sorry, it's all the dust, the particles in the air. I'm still technically allergic to cats, but it's more got to do with like dust and like debris in the air. I have asthma, the sun's in my eyes. My dick is huge. Anyway, moving on. A lot just happened in those 20 seconds. This does not look like nice water to be in. Oh, wait. Sneezers, man. They'll be the death of us all. something really geological. Sorry, I almost died. Top of morning to you, laddies, and welcome to. I think that's it. Oh, not me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Good lord, I can't drive when I'm sneezing. That ripped up all of my neck doing that. Oh god, I regret doing that. I immediately regret my decision. Revenge. You can't tell me because I can't read. Stupid. Okay. Oh no, I have to sneeze and the boss is in here.
They really couldn't believe it was made for the ground. It can be fitted to a modified truck and be ready to go in no time.
Sorry, Toss. I'm allergic to your new hairstyle. Oh my. Oh shit. Like that? That was a weird sneeze. That didn't feel like a full sneeze. Join this, newgames.io. Nina Games? Horror game only for Senra and Nina. Thank you for the link, let's take a look. I'm sorry you had to see that. I'm sorry we all had to go through. Thank you. I'm sorry we all had to go through that together. New games. No one's chasing you, are they? Come on in. Come on. I'm here. I know. You okay? Did you sleep at all? Sorry, Asuka. Jesus. I don't know where that came out of. Are you okay? I almost blew you off the fucking building. You don't look too good. Is that this? Yeah.
Preliminary toxicology results shows no signs of inebriation. However, a high amount
Bless
of
me.
cortisol was found, indicating elevated levels of stress.
Yeah, totally.
Sure. I understand.
Well, the rent just kept going up. He said he'd stop if I just needed to keep quiet. And everything would be okay.
Sandra, I'm allergic to something in this room here today. There's pollen getting in. My air purifier is kicking up. Who was he? I handed it on the way back, but at least I'm not a lizard. Am I gonna have to destroy things?
Okay, I've overlaid the serum with an old sample of Compilation. If you can destroy the atoms blocking the lizard receptors, you can make an antidote, and then we're
Jesus, my spider senses are tingling!
like a clever goose.
Okay. Whoa. That's a lot of stuff.
Someone's asking their special one to homecoming. But it looks like it got out of hand.
Did they overdo it like one of those gender reveal things?
Sounds less dramatic.
Sorry, Haley, I'm allergic to sentimentality.
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, sorry.
The supplies. I'm gonna see you out. I don't think I can follow you, but I was too hungry to follow him. Okay. Be careful if you hear whistling, run. Also, if you hear sneezing, get the fuck out of there. Oh god, I can jump. Oh no, that's the edge of a precipice. Do I look like Bonnie and Clyde? Thelma and Louise? Bert and Ernie? Okay, god, I have to sneeze. Okay, this got much. Okay, is he there all the time? I'm gonna close the doors. Jab, fuck! That's the scariest thing that's happened to me so far in this game. That's where I went.
Mission subway line?
Whoa!
I think that was an accident. Connors doesn't want to be followed.
Here I go sneezing again. What is happening to me? It's only when I record. My body knows. Can I get out the back door? Oh god, I have to sneeze. Oh, this could spell death for everybody. The moment has passed. Who's eating ass? That hard. I like when it's like this and it's not just you have to like rely on the AI. Okay. I'm going this way again because that's the way I did it. Shh, I'm not here. Fuck. Okay, so turn off the TV, go that way, get the keys.
What are you doing, Kratos? You going to sacrifice me? Again?
Do it, Kratos!
Jesus, that sneeze almost killed me. Motherfucker, sneeze! You're right there! You're right in the tinty, tantalizing tip of my tongue! But you didn't come out. Oh wait. Sneezers. Sometimes you gotta sneeze. Sometimes you gotta do what a man's gotta do. It's a hard world out there. Lots of particles getting up inside your nostril holes. Jesus, that sneeze almost killed me. Oh wait. Sneezers, man. They'll be the death of us all.